kind of blew my mind really, starting college, because I'd just been working by myself and my preconceptions went right out the window.
It's almost like a philosophical space. You are presented with a whole new bunch of people, a whole new bunch of ideas, and it gives you a possibility in my head to kind of reboot certain things. You can reboot tropes that you've been involved with, things that you've got habituated to, embrace that uncertainty, that unknowing, that excitement of just about to sort of jump out of the plane, as it were.
And I'm a completely different person now than I was when I began. And to me, that is absolutely invaluable. So anyone that wants to open their mind, I suppose, and use materials, because Plymouth College of Art has got the workshops and the facilities are absolutely amazing.
The technicians, I actually called them the gods and goddesses of the different workshops, because they were just amazing. In that first semester, I did things with glass, I did bookbinding, I did every single thing I could. And they were so helpful and it was amazing.
Community is absolutely wonderful. I mean, the college to me is like a life raft, because it meant that I could be in a place where I could be totally at ease with being who I am and kind of fully involve myself in my creative practice. And just wonderful kind of experience.